Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we got a new subscription box to the channel. And I've got subscription boxes for outdoor gear, for survival gear, for hunting gear. Let's see, I've even had subscription boxes for nerd stuff. You can get subscription boxes for candy. Women can get it for makeup. Well, now we've got a subscription box for watches. That's right, it's called Watch Gang. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Ring the notification bell so you do get notified when I upload new content. Yeah, let's look at a watch subscription box. Let's do it. Alright, so we are here with Watch Gang, and as always, if you are interested in this particular service, I will have a link to them in the description box of this video. They are a watch subscription box, and they have monthly, quarterly, and on-demand plans available for you to choose from if you are interested, and you should go check them out, you know, because this is definitely something new to me, and I like watches. You guys see, well, even though you guys really only see me wearing this Garmin Tactics Delta Solar, yeah. But this is something that's really, really interesting to me. They have, at least from what I can distinguish from their website, they have 3 tiers that you can choose from. They have an original tier which starts at $59.99 per watch, and the watch is typically worth up to $150 value. Then they have a black tier, which is starting at $119.99 a watch, and it has a watch that could possibly be worth to $500. And that tier has Swiss or Japanese automatic or quartz movement. Then they have a platinum tier, which starts at $319.99. That could include a watch worth up to $1,500. Now, the cool thing about this service is every month that you are subscribed, they have giveaways where they give away like even a Rolex or a Tag watch, you know, watches that are pretty up the food chain, you know, and they do giveaways. And as long as you are subscribed to their service, you are entered to possibly win one of these watches. So I really like that. And this is the first box that, you know, we are receiving, the channel is receiving. Of this company, and this is not a sponsored video. This was paid for. So yeah, Watch Gang, if you're watching, man, hook me up. Let me be part of your gang, man. Sponsor the channel. I love watches. Let's see. It says that we got a little card here that says that it's their birthday month. It says I guess 7 years. It says Watch Gang is turning 7. Our most popular wheels are already packed with incredible deals. Okay, so if you go to their website, this is something that I kind of didn't understand. I gotta look at it a lot more. But they have a wheel, you know, like a spinning wheel that you can use to select watches. I'm assuming. I don't know. I didn't really. I just went and you know, we just subscribed to one of these tiers. But I have to get into more of that. But it says get a total of over $160 in birthday spin savings and up to $70 off a single spin. It says find your code on the back, but that's not all. Look out for this. Look out for specials all month long. And here's to celebrating their birthday. So yeah, this company's been doing this for 7 years, man. That's awesome. So you know you got a company that's established, and you know they're not going anywhere. And again, I will have a link to Watch Gang in the description box of this video. This is the watch we got. They got sterling. Let's see. There it is. All right. Let's see what we got here for our one watch. And like I said, this is the black tier. And all right, really cool box. I really like the presentation. Very nice, very nice. All right, let's see. Should I look at it or let you guys look at it? I'm gonna look at it. Ooh, nice. All right. And there's our watch and the stuff that we got in it. And what I'll do, I will do a kind of a close-up flyover of this and let you guys see it and see what we're working with. Okay, we got a sterling original little card here from the company. Tell you what I'll do. I'll turn this bad boy around until I do the close up. Okay, so this is saying that blah 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 information about the company. Okay, that's cool, and that this is an authentic watch. And let's see, we got some instructions. This is a quartz chronograph, so it tells you. Let's see, they tell you how to operate it. So this is all your instructions for your watch, and then we have a little cloth here that's got the company's kind of logo and their name on it. So yeah, all right, Sterling Original, awesome. Okay, let's free this watch and let's give it a look-see. See what we're working with here. And like I said, I'll give you a flyover as I look at it. Okay, all right, so let's see what we got. Okay, the band is an interesting color. It is genuine leather, so it does have that tannish brown look, very different. Going up to that yellow around the inner bezel there, that's, you know, it accents the band color, and I like the little stitching there on the side. It really stands out. And the yellow dial work, and then the bezel there, and then the indicator hands there being yellow as well. I'm gonna tell you something. This is a good looking watch. I really like it. I really like it. I really do like it. Very interesting. You guys hit the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think about this watch here. Let's see, what kind of water resistance are we working with here? Let's see, water resistant to 50 meters. All right, so 50 meters. All right, let's now. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me, because my Garmin Tactics Delta Solar is a big watch, and I have really small wrists. So, you know, these watch try-ons are probably going to look ridiculous to me because I don't have the biggest wrist. But it'd be all right. Let's pull this little protective tape off here so we can get a really good look at that bezel. Okay, so it says, please be sure to remove the small plastic tabs and then push the crown to start the watch. All right, so we'll do that. We'll pull these little tabs out, these little protective tabs. Well, I say I'm going to pull it out. Come on, come on. Come on out of there. Where that sucker's in there. All right, so we got one of the little tabs out. Put it right there. And then we'll push the crown in to engage the watch. Hopefully she'll start working. Let's see. All right. All right, I pushed it back in. I don't know. I'll tell you, let me just put it on. Because that's actually all I wanted to do, was really just see how the watch looked on my wrist to see if I liked it. So let's see. Let's see what we're working with. You guys can tell me, like, hey man, that's a cool looking watch, or no, that's not a good looking watch. I kind of like it. It's something different. You know, I'm a very plain kind of guy. You know, you guys can't tell that at all from the videos where I just wear white shirts. You know, nothing would give that away, right? I'm very Albert Einstein like that. I like not putting a lot of thought into what I'm wearing, so I just want to kind of dress and go, not sit there in my closet for, you know, an hour trying to figure out what I'm going to wear. Oh, does it match? Am I going to look dumb? You know, I ain't got time for all that. All right, so let's see. I'll tell you what, I kind of like it. I like it. Let's see. There you go. I like it. I think it looks really cool with that band color. That band color, you know, once you wear the band in a little bit, because it is leather, it will loosen up, get a little more pliable. But yeah, that's a really cool looking watch. And like the band color with the yellow accents on the dial face, you know, it really looks really good. I really like it. So yeah, okay. So this is going to be a box that we're going to get for a little while because, you know, I like watches. And this was, to me, just interesting to get a watch subscription service and then to be entered you know, to possibly win, you know, to win a you know, a watch. You know, that's really cool. You know, I think it's something really neat. I don't know, in the comment section down below, you guys let me know what you think about a service like this, where you can get, you know, watches. And this is you know, this Sterling original brand of watches is, you know, I don't have any, well, I do now, you know, I've got, you know, exposure to. I wouldn't have had it any other way. So yeah, anyway, I'll have to put this through its paces, you know, wear it a little bit, see my overall comments about it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, something a little different. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below about getting a watch every single month. You know, a different watch. I think it's going to be really cool. I'm curious to see now, because this is you know, I'm happy. You know, I'm not disappointed at all. So yeah. Anyway, that's all I got. Hope you guys are doing well, and let me know give me your thoughts about this service, this type of service, in the comment section down below. Would this be something that you would be interested in? Is it something that you're like, no, I don't really care. You know, if I want to watch, I'll just go out and buy it. But you know, I think it's a really cool idea, especially if you are a lover of watches, and I am. I just can't afford it. You know, that's my setback. Is I can't afford to go out and buy all them expensive watches. So yeah. Anyway, guys, that's it. That's all I got. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you're well, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.